Okie dokie. It's our reading for Monday. I know some of you have got back to me saying that they find reading sometimes a bit trickier. I think that's common across everybody in class as well, to be fair. Dipping between the metamates now, so going between quite a few reading skills. And obviously with it being the summer of Year 5, the texts getting trickier, or the questions getting trickier. All the texts that you're exploring now and all the questions would be what we'll be doing now. It's out of our cycle 3. So all of these are summer Year 5 with the awareness that we're stepping into Year 6 very, very soon. So if you're finding the text hard or the question hard, then that's good. We're setting us up for the expectations of Year 6. So this week we're looking at pattern sniffer and retrieval. So we're going to be looking at retrieving events, summarising events, ordering events, which we've done a couple of times in class. So we'll have a little look at this. I've written out the questions on my piece of paper because otherwise it's very hard to flip between just one. Because remember, we've discussed this in class that you've got to be looking at both at the same time. So I have a skim read of the text, and which is on the next page. So it's the creation. I believe it's from the Egyptian belief of creation. So because Ra, Isis, or Osiris were all Egyptian gods. So in the beginning of the Black Water, you've got to skim. What was it that a lot of people did? There were a couple of tactics, weren't there? So some people skim read the work and then read it again and then just came across things as they were reading. Some people got the first and last one, which was a good idea, and then you saw what was in the middle. It's however it worked for you. Personally, I would read through it with these and then just number them as I'm going. So as you skim read, darkness and silence everywhere. And then water, and then out of the watery depths. So that's number 1. The water and silence was everywhere. Pointed tips for lotus flower. I've got something about a flower. Where's that water? The lotus flower, uncurled its tightly closed petals. Bright yellow light shone from it. Fully opened, it revealed Amun Ra. So that's number 2. Lovely. Okay. A blaze of fire. Turn to the phoenix. Nothing about a phoenix. Pyramid, nope. Stretched practical red ring, echoed silence around him. He became lowly, so out of himself he created a sun, Shu, god of air. I have got people being born, but I haven't got those guys. Tefnut, goddess, the day in June, or was proud of his children. Because you've Geb and Nut. So the earth god and the sky god, they were born. Boom. That's in our list. They cared deeply for each other, and out of their love came 4 children. The first was a kind of honourable son, Osiris, Seth, and then okay, that's these guys. So that's 4. So I've got a son and daughter were created. Right, so no, I've missed it. I've done it wrong. I missed one. Right, 1, 2. I bet you were screaming at me already. 1, 2, 3. Then Geb and Nut were born. 4. Then 5. So then whatever's left, life was given to man, should be 6. Ooh, I nearly did that wrong. That was close. Maybe it's a bit early in the morning for me. So, even though we sometimes find these very simple, and we do these pretty quick, and you should have done this pretty quick, do be careful because you can miss some things out. I very nearly did that wrong. So, very short and sweet reading this week, but just as important a skill as any, being able to summarise and order events. So, well done, fantastic if you did that. If I were you, I would write them out so it's easier rather than trying to flick through the 2. But brilliant, fantastic, well done. And apologies for my almost very silly mistake.